Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. It is Tuesday morning, December 13th, and I am on Vanderbilt Beach by the Laplaya Hotel. Just wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on here. First, I want to give you a look at the water. It's absolutely gorgeous. Water is looking really good. No signs of red tide here. Look at that. Water temperature 75. Absolutely gorgeous. Quick look down to the south, but I want to show you what they're doing here with the bulldozer, with the restoration of our beach, just the grading and leveling of the beach. They're doing a really good job. They started down at the south end of Vanderbilt Beach. Now they're up to the Laplaya. It makes a huge difference. I just want to show you what they're doing here. They're just cutting the steep edge, that ledge that was along the beach. They're cutting it off. They're pushing all the sand back up towards the buildings. What it looks like they're doing here is maybe they're stockpiling a lot of sand because there's a big low-lying area. There's a big valley over here that they got to fill in. And then they got to fill in all along by the seawall. I was talking to the bulldozer operator earlier this morning, and he said that they hope to be up to the north end of Vanderbilt Beach. They hope to have it done by maybe Thursday. That's his hopes. They got to bring in a little smaller machine to fill in right up close to the seawalls. They are making good progress here. It's a big machine. And this is really, really good looking sand here. Very, very clean. Very clean sand. He's in the shade there. Look at our operator up there. You can see how clean that sand is. Just a quick update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you appreciate my videos, tips are always welcome. You can find a link to my PayPal account in the description of this post. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Tally ho, my friends. Tally ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. God bless.